I think I took a lot of decisions also that were great. Like I was hesitant to invest in AIB because the cost was really high for me. And I was like, I would never hesitate to put that money for my kids. Maybe it's time that I really invest in myself. Like, I learned a lot, really, like with AIB, that has been mind blowing. I was like, the coaching is really excellent. I'm beginning to apply in real estate, which is insane. Like I didn't expect that because of the systems, because of the scripts. I'm sure also because of the confidence I gained, like, speaking with people, presenting. So I felt the shift in my presentation skills, in my conversations. I prepared also better. I went completely out of my comfort zone this year with many things like presenting, training with other artists. I was like doing this, oh no, I don't want to do that. And then, all right. And then, actually, I'm not that bad. So I improved tremendously. Many things were like impossible to happen. Like I met one person because of a chain of events, and it's like magic. It happened. I was like, wow. I'm trusting the process, I'm trusting you, I'm trusting Alexei. I know that everything takes time. It's consistent effort. It's end steps after end steps because I've done it like many times. I know the work you need to do, the time you need to put, the effort, the consistency. It just doesn't happen like that. I wish, but take these opportunities, do the best I can, and when I don't know better, I will do better.